Hello traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I am going to share how to trade with crude scalping with 5 minutes intraday strategy. It is primarily employed by traders and analysts to indicate possible long-term uptrend or long-term downtrend conditions in a market. You ask us every day what is the setup setting, what should be the time frame, etc. You will definitely get the answer of all these questions in the video. Please watch the complete video. So let us now see how we have to use this indicator. So, first of all, you have to pay attention to the main chart, which you will see Bollinger Bands. And you will see the middle line in Bollinger Bands of red color and green color, which will tell you about the uptrend and downtrend of the market. And the indicator you see at the bottom will help you to execute the trade in the market. So, let us know how we will execute the trade. You can use this indicator in 3 ways. So the first way is that here you can see on the screen. As you can see in the Bollinger Bands, the middle line is of red color. And the market is coming down by touching the Bollinger Band. And the indicator at the bottom has also come below the 0 level, so here you can execute a sell trade here. And we will set our stop loss above the Bollinger Bands. The most interesting thing about this indicator is that you do not have to set a target of profit by yourself in such indicator. The indicator itself will tell you when to book the target of profit. As you can see now, here the signal is generated. To book profit, we will book the profit of our trade here and wait for other signals. You can watch it again here. The market has come down again by touching the red line of the Bollinger Bands. So we can re-execute one of our trades here, and you can see the indicator at the bottom, which is below the 0 level. We will set our stop loss from there just above the Bollinger Band. So let's see the trade result. As you can see now, here the signal is generated. To book profit, we will book the profit of our trade here and wait for other signals. So lets you know your second method, using which you will be able to execute the trade more easily. You can see first, here the Bollinger Bands have changed the middle line red color to green color. And after that, see the bottom indicator. And it should be above 0 level. You will execute our trade on this position, and we will set our stop loss just below the Bollinger Bands. So you can have a look here. We have got a profit booking signal here. We will book our trade profit here, and we have got very good profit on this trade. You will now use our third method, using which you can execute your trade. And using it is very simple. So first you have to look for the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, which should be green in color for a buy trade. We will see the indicator, which is on the bottom. It should come down near the 0 level and turn back upwards. As you can see now, the situation is created, so here we will execute one of our trades. And we will set our stop loss at the top line of the Bollinger Bands. So we have made a profit on the trade as well, so now we will wait for the next signal. So you can have a look here. The market is trading above green Bollinger Bands. And the indicator below is also above the 0 level. You can execute your trade here. We'll set stop loss between current candles. So you can see here the indicator is at the bottom, which has come down to the 0 level, so we will book our small loss here, and this is our first loss. So you can have a look here. The middle line of the Bollinger Bands is red in color, and the indicator at the bottom is also below the 0 level. So here we will execute our sell trade here, and the stop loss is the current high of the market. So we have made a profit on the trade as well, so now we will wait for the next signal. So here you can see the Bollinger Bands, which is made of green color from red color. And the indicator, which is bottom, has also come above the 0 level. And we will set stop loss here on the Bollinger Bands. So let's see the trade result. And we had set our target of profit on this trade. The target of profit of 1 is to 2 has been hit. Now let's see how we made our setup. First of all, we have to search indicator 5 minutes in the search box of Tradingview. And click on second option, in which we have to change some setting. Check the setting carefully. Check the setting carefully. After that, we have to apply another indicator on the chart. We have to search crude scalp in the search box of Tradingview. And click on intraday buy sell option. In which we have to change some setting. Check the setting carefully. After that, we will apply another indicator on the chart. We have to search indicator wave in the search box of Tradingview. And click on first option, in which we have to change some setting. Check the setting carefully. And you can use this indicator on any time frame and in any market. Now our setup is ready. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.